Hello all. Today I'm going to explain about option strategies and it's how to choose option based on trends, probabilities, right? So here let's start. See, this is I'm going to explain for Nifty only. So Nifty, if you see the Nifty, it is at looks like a breakout zone, right? It is like it looks like a breakout zone as well as gap up Monday is expected, not sure but expected. If there is nothing negative news and all, then gap up is expected. So here if you see properly, here there are, let me check either okay, so because volumes, a lot of people are telling that volumes are not so clear it. So here let's start here. So let me show you the something good, right? Let's see. Oh, wow. So this is how I analyze, right? This is the way that I analyze. So it is actually the Elliott wave, which is it is a probability only, you can say. The trend probability is based on indicators, but this everything comes in a price action. If you think properly, if you see properly, there is nothing magic in a Elliott wave, right? So people are looking for probabilities only, like yes, this is the range that I am expecting, this is a fall range I am expecting, this is a yes, long range will be this level and low level will be this one, right? So this is all about the probabilities only. So if you see here, I have draw from here, right? ABC pattern, which is started from here, and A to B, B to C, it's like that, right? So just ignore this one and let's focus about only a trend line, right? Based on a SNR zone. You can see this, guys, this has already draw from last week itself, and this as well, and this as well. So and this line, trend line, I had draw yesterday. If you can see here, let me convert into a 1 hour time frame, so which makes you little bit clear, right? So I hope everyone saw that trend line and all. So here you see the trend line, it is all the kind of probabilities only that I have draw based on a trend line, right? So trend, based on trend only I had draw this one, but for this I will show you the particular in a 15 minute. I had draw this on a 1 hour time frame, which makes me little bit easier to interpret the trend. So here let me convert into now. You can see here zone in 1 hour, it is showing a correct moves, right? So now okay, so now if you see here, there is a little bit that I think it makes you confused, but there is nothing like that. So here you see here, already I show you the horizontal line as a previous in 1 hour, which was supporting on a high of previous days, right? And this also, and this was I have taken based on this support SNR zone, right? This is a SNR zone, and also this SNR zone. Okay, so here, and you can see here, this also I picked as a SNR zone only, which is a lowest probabilities, right? So lowest, you can call it as a yes, 95% from here, yes, it will fall, or from here it will reverse that probabilities, which 95% I can say that from here it may reverse, and here as well it may reverse. It is only 65% of probabilities that I can give, and higher side also same, but the extraordinary which I placed here as well. So also if you see here, let me ignore only, right? So it's just this base I took, so hopefully that it's going to be come if the negative happen then here. So let's now talk about see, if you see that trend line which I had draw this one, so I am probably expecting the gap up. If the gap up opens on a Monday, then I am expecting this area, right? So this area would cross easily, and if it sustained above, and then if we started taking a momentum, then there is a last moves that which I can expect 11050, 11,050 range I can expect. Yeah, downside I can expect these areas, right? So you have to see the from the previous videos, from previous video itself, so you will come, I have said everything thoroughly. There is nothing changes, there is nothing added, any additional something like that. So thoroughly I had said in from 15th video itself, I had said till today, which today I will upload this one. So everything I have explained on drawing this trend line I have done in 14th or 15th Jan only. So everything you will come to know that, right? So here if you see here, the trend line is correct, that I am expecting a gap up. So if it happens, then probably it's going to sustain here, or if there is something in a news base or something like that, anything, then it may fall as well from here. But I am not expecting above 11,000, that, right? So in upcoming days as well I am not expecting, but there is a chances, right? So as there is a lot of consolidation zone, also it has taken a little bit momentum as well. So from here, which is a quite positive signal towards upside of touching 11,000 levels, right? So here now let me talk about option. See here, so I was analyzing this. See, actually if you see here, if you see properly here, the level which I had taken a premium of 11,050, which I said I am not expecting above 11,050 this month till 31st Jan, which is expiry, right? So it will not go above 11,000 above, right? So I am expecting that one. So the downside, I can say it is quite aggressive, that but if based on that which I said, I am expecting a gap up. So if it continues taking a momentum in a further upcoming days, then I have a very good advantage of taking this premium you can see, which is this I bought it, right? So I bought it in this price. Suppose you can assume for Monday, or maybe whatever, suppose even Friday itself, if I had bought this one, then 57 is the price, right, which I have taken a one lot, right? This is a two lot which I had sorted, right? So this is a range I am talking about. First you have to understand, the most important is the range. Before taking entry, the range is most important, that trend probabilities, right? So suppose 1,000 to 10,000, like that, that is the lowest and highest trend, which is I am expecting 1070 is lowest and this one is a highest, right? So there is nothing confusion, nothing anything. You can see this link and all, right? Here everything which I had dragged in this video for you guys only, so you can see and you can do analyze something like that, right? So here you can see here, from here until the 10700 goes below, you are a safe person until the expiry, right? Suppose even tomorrow also it sustain, then yes, it is a good that it will be in a positive. There will be no loss, either loss nor profit, right? So there is nothing. But if the prices has started taking a momentum from 11,050, which is probably it's going to be a very good for you, right? So in this scenario, if you are sure about that it will go upside, further upside, you can keep this, right? If the price if tomorrow from 10,900 level, if further it's upwards, if it is going continuous, you can keep this premium, which is a 2 lot, right? So you will get a very good from there, right? And also if you can keep both as well, right? While closing you have to close both, while entry just do it same time, right? So here if you see it is you guys can see from here, it is a simple from 11,050. If it wins, yeah, the profit is going to be much higher, right? But if the prices fall below 10700, this one, which is this one, then you're gonna be in a risk. But people are not accepting this loss. Known loss people will not accept, which is a nonsense loss, which is a surprise losses. They expect that one, right? So that makes a lot of sense. So you have to understand everything that clearly. Please do not try to go in a one side only if you are not sure about it, right? If you want to go for a more safer, just go for a 10500 also, which is a currently level is a 10900, means 400 point different within 8 days. Even I can make you sure that if there is no negative at all, then based on a even trend, there is a lot of SNR zone here, which 7500 is a most safer side for you. You can go for a sorting a 7500 as well, and you can go in a higher side, which is a 112,300, and that is also safer side. But yeah, you can go for based on that, right? So whatever the margin point of view, it is you have to, if you want proper income, proper profits, proper, if you want to learn, this is the only way. There is nothing behind. People simply giving a tips and all, lot of people they used to give, I saw, which is a very bad things, right? So first of all, why they are giving, I don't know. But the second things, see, before giving a tips, this they should also explain, right, to people, this is the range here, so you should not do this way, that way, right? So people simply give this one, and if they do a gamble by seeing a tips number, they will just enter same number, that's it, and it will get executed. If it lost, they are gone, right? So that doesn't make sense. Learn own self. See, I have given you everything, there is nothing behind, right? So here, and also let me show you here. So here, if you see here correctly, that which I have taken this snap as well, which I like so much, and see, and where is that, man, I can't customize. See, if you see this range till here, right? Sorry, I am not too much this one. So see here, 10650 here, if you see here if you see here, and here you see 10600 P, which I sorted, right? And 11150 CE, which I shorted, which is a call and put I had shorted, and at the price of this one, you assume, right? So here the break even price is this one, right? Sorry. So break even price is this one, right? So this one, see. So 105 below, if it went, then you gonna be in a risk. If it goes, let me explain you in that only. What I have taken here, 10600, right? 10600, sorry, 10600. What was the range here? Okay, in a safer side, 10650 is a safer, right? So let's go for a safer side only. So let me 10650, sorry, I need to, okay, 10650, which I sorted, example, right? So suppose today if I had sorted, then 1070 is a, oh sorry, 150, which is a quite, it is, looks like a safer, right? So here this is my range, right? So here 10650 is my lowest side range, 11150 is a highest side range. Now if it started consolidating even until the expiry, you will get a nice whatever the returns, right? Whatever the like lot you have added, right, on that day while taking a entry. So you will take you will get based on that only, right? So see, you are very much safe. There is nothing, you will not lose this amount, right, which you have paid, right? Estimate margin I have given this one, but it takes lesser than this only. So you have to check with your brokerage and broker calculator, and you will get the ideas. So here you see here, so 1060, if it went, then you're gonna be in a risk, otherwise no, right? So 10650 is the max that it's fall side, that yes, you can assume that you can predict. You see here 10650, which is here, right? So it is quite safer only. Now the trend is here, right? And also you have taken a 11150, right? 11150, which is, oh my god, it is comes above only. So it comes here only, so which is the most safer, right, to hedge. Even this called as a different strangle or straddle way you can do, right? And butterfly is not a good strategy for me, and this is a good, you don't go for that strategy and all, you just try to interpret from the beginning itself, which is a basic I am showing you, right? There is nothing behind anything that I am hiding. I show you the trend probabilities, right? I show you the entry, how you have to do. Then what you required more? Nothing. You have to watch it properly, understand it and feel it and think, note it down and apply same thing. You will definitely get a very good result, right? So there is nothing any other hidden things, right? So about Greeks and all, I think you need a lot of time. The IV, whatever the IV, however the IV got increased, I think it is bad for you, but if the IV is getting reduced, then it is a good. It is a volatility. If suppose there is no volatility until the another 7 days, if there is no volatility, means the price will not go above that. If then it's going to die this 13, which is 13 and 16, right? And it is good for you, right? And theta and all that, it is to be frank, I think no one you guys will not understand if you guys are a basic player, so you will not understand, but it takes a time. You have to, you can even study about it, but the simple way already which I told you, there is nothing. It is not. Yeah, see, it's got yeah. Yeah, see, so there is nothing behind anything, right? So you can see, you can understand it, and this which I talk about, and this is also very good, right? So it is a very understandable things that which I had explained you, right? So it is a very good strategy, and it is don't think that you're gonna lose. You have to keep a stop loss all the time, right? So keep the stop loss. However, I said trend, right? So whatever I said trend, keep a stop loss based on it, on this premium. And if you are sure about it, it's better. I won't keep, but I just look for bad news and global news, and some other issues, like in sudden fall, it happens in some, like, which is like HDFC, and example like that, Reliance and all. If suppose if it falls some 100 to 200 points, Reliance 100-point Reliance, then Nifty gonna be react the same, right? 100 200 that its chances of a falling, so which is a quite risk for you, but it is a very good, and people do these things only, right? It is a safer income, and there is nothing anything that you have to understand more in this. But yes, there is some other strategy as well that I am going to explain in upcoming videos and all, so you will understand the most like things that which it helps you to grow up further upcoming futures, right? So you have to keep use a stop loss, so based on this you work. So I hope everyone understand the proper trend. See, I told you this one is a horizontal trend line support which I am taking at these areas, right? And which I show you the trend line in 4 hours in the first, and it's the same, and this all are the probabilities that I am expecting these levels to be touched. It's my trend. High side which I am expecting, low side I am expecting this area is the most strongest area, and this area as well, you can call it as a major minor, right? Major low side and minor low side, and so that's it. Thank you. So upcoming videos that I will explain some more, it's very good strategies, and just I hope everyone likes this one. So please hit the like, and try to click the bell icon as well, because I'm going to explain some other strategies as well, so you will get a notification. So I hope everyone likes. Thank you.